RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today my topic is past indefinite tense. The past indefinite tense, also known as simple past tense, is used to indicate a finished or completed action happened at a specific point in the past time. A specific time can be diverse and can cover a long period of time also. The past indefinite tense is a tense used to express a state or action that occurred in the past. The rules for the affirmative sentences are subject plus verb, second form of verb plus object. Examples are I lost my pen here, she sang in a room inside the house, I turned in my homework. The exact time of these actions or state is not specified in these sentences. Therefore, sentences have an indefinite meaning. In short, in such sentences, there is no time frame to give information about the exact time period of the action that took place in past or the situation seen in the past. Now let's take a look at the general structure of negative sentences in the past indefinite tense. The rules are subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus subject. Some examples are he did not reply to my mail, she did not collect his files so that they criticized her, they did not attend school so they did not take the exam. In these sentences, did itself it is a second form. We simply added not to it for negative sentences. Now we will go for the interrogative sentences. Sometimes we want to ask a question about a situation action that happened in the past. So the rules are did plus subject plus first form of verb plus subject. It is always followed by a question mark. Some examples are did he do his homework? Did she wash the dishes? Did they come with me? This was all about past indefinite tense. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics. Thank you once again.